In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to download Quotex into your iPhone. If you try to go to the App Store and if you try to search Quotex in the search, you will see that there will be no app, guys. The only way to download the Quotex into your iPhone is going to the Safari, go to the Google and write the simple keyword Quotex in the Google search and open the official Quotex trading platform. Then you need to click the share button in the bottom menu. It's in the middle and you need to scroll down until you will see add to home screen button right here. You need to click on this and then click add in the top right corner, guys, and you will download the Quotex into your phone. When you click on this, it will open your Safari browser and go to the Quotex, guys. And that's the only way to download Quotex into your iPhone. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.